Hello and welcome. I'm Rakim, and you are learning Drupal 7 by the Drupal Oceans. So, I would recommend everybody, I would ask everybody, I would say you all people to just subscribe our channel Drupal Oceans and ask your friend to share, and you also share. In this series of tutorial, we will learn the Drupal step by step, as we had learned in the first tutorial to create a basic page, and now in this second chapter we will learn more configurations about the Drupal in the basic page we have created. So everyone, just like our page if you like that, if just subscribe our channel, and also we would soon launch our website also, where you can learn more about the Drupals, and there will be several tutorials available there too also. So in the first tutorial we have learned how to create a basic page, and also we have learned how to set the menu, how to set the weight of the menu, how to put in the appropriate position by the menu by setting the weight of the menu. In this chapter we will learn further about the configuration in this basic page we have created in the first tutorial. So as I told you that we can edit the basic page by just hit this, and it will redirect on ourselves on the edited page, where we can do some stuff and can just save, and our change will be reflected on the basic page we have created. We can also edit by the second method also. For editing any content, we have to just go in the find content. It will show all the content we have created so far. So we have created only the first content, that is about us, which is showing here, and we need to make any change in this content, so we have to just click edit, and it will also show the same configuration page as we were clicking. The difference is that suppose we make any change and just hit save, so it will redirect on this page. It won't redirect on this content page. Suppose if we edit by clicking this edit button, and we do any change, we make any change in this and configurations, and then hit save, then it will redirect on the same content page here. So there is a two method for editing any content, as I told you. Now we will learn further about the configurations. So in this first chapter we have covered the menu setting. Now we are coming about the revision information. What is this? Actually, Drupal provide ourselves a way to keep the track of all the edit we are making edit on the content. So if we click here the create new revision, so Drupal keep track on all every times the content was edited, and it keeps the logs all there. And also we can revert back. Suppose later on we decided now we want the older revision version to be published, so we can do by that. For example, suppose we made any change here, first we are editing it, and now we click create new revision and giving the revision log message, which will display here. We can adding new line in about us page, and just hit save. You would see here it is also displaying a tab of revision. When we'll click here in the revision, it will show the revision as a message we had dropped, the adding new line in the Drupal in the about us page, and it is showing this page has been edited again. And we can also revert that, we can also delete that revision. Suppose same revision tab we can also find by edit. Here also it will display the revision page. Now we change the in about us title, change, and now also we are creating a revision. We are displaying we have changed title of about us page and hit save. Now there will be two revision, as we would see. There is two revision. First, adding new line in about us page, and second, that we have changed the title of about us page. Okay, now if we would see here, we are seeing the title change, and also we are changing the first change we made, we are editing it. Okay, now we want to revert in the first revision we created. This page has been edited again. Okay, so we have adding a new line about us page, and this page has been edited again. We want to revert it. Now we click revert. It will ask the confirmations that whether we want to revert or not. So we can also just if we don't want to revert that, then we can click cancel, or if you want to revert, then just revert. We have reverted that, and it will also keep on track of that. Now basic page about us has been reverted back to the revision Saturday timings. This it has been reverted to that. If you would see that, now this change gone, and this change also gone, because it has been reverted in the first state we have created this about us page. Now also again in the revision page, adding new line in about us page. If we would revert in this, it will ask, do you want to revert the revision from this? I would say okay, confirm. And now we will see it has been reverted the first my revision that we have created. First we are editing it. Now again, suppose just go and edit revision. We want it in the title. We have changed the title of about us page. We want to revert in this, so just click revert, click confirmations, revert. Now if we will see, now we have found our this latest revision. So that is the revision where we can keep on track on every revision we are making or we are changing in the content. So that is the very best option to keep on track of the content, to know where we are making a change, when the time the change has been made, and which types of change we had made, and also we can revert back to the revision. We can revert back also. So that is very useful. Or if you do not want to keep any revision, just do not click on the revision. Without clicking it, we can just save that, so it won't keep on track of any change we made on that. So that's all in this chapter of the Drupal. And also we want to tell you something else about the revision. Suppose we don't want to keep any revision anymore, so we can just delete also this revision. For clicking just delete link, and it will ask the confirmations. We can also cancel that for mistake. Suppose you have to click then, so we can just click cancel, or if we want to delete that, then we can click delete. So this revision will be deleted. We will not be to longer exist in the Drupal system. So this chapter we had learned about the revision, the Drupal basic page, and that will be same applied on all the content types. We will create further either the article, either we will create our custom content type. We will learn further in the chapter of learning Drupal. So that is in this chapter. So we will ask you all the guys, we will ask yourself, we will recommend you to just subscribe our channel and subscribe, share to your friends, and also very soon we will launch the websites for learning the Drupal, where we will share yourself about this website. So keep learning, be happy, and have a good day.